Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from crypto.com into your bank account. So first of all, open the application called crypto.com, and once you open the application, just make sure to enter the passcode, and once entered you will be at the home section of the application, and from here you just need to make sure that you have attached a fiat wallet with your crypto.com account as well. Now to do this, make sure to click on the three lines on the upper left corner, and from here you can see the first option is crypto wallet and the second is cash. Just make sure to click on cash, and once you click here, as you can see, open a USD account, deposit USD to buy crypto or withdraw USD when you sell crypto. So this is basically a direct process, and you can read the benefits as well. Zero deposit fees, deposit and withdraw USD via Swift, and use your bank accounts to transfer funds. Now this is something that you need to make sure that you have verified, you have submitted all the information to crypto.com, and they will verify and attach your fiat wallet with your crypto.com account. So if I click on continue, as you can see, additional information required, so make sure to submit all the information. So once you do that, they will verify. It might take like a week or two to verify, and after that you just need to make sure to go to the account section. So once you're into the account section, so from here you can just select the currency that you want to sell, like either it is crypto or whatever your crypto is. You can just click here and choose the crypto or the currency. As you can see, all the coins. So you can search, let's say I want to sell Ethereum. You can just sell Ethereum, and once you enter the Ethereum, you can just click on sell Ethereum. And once you click on sell Ethereum, as you see that I don't have enough balance, so once you click here you will be asked to like enter the address. Either you want to like receive the amount in crypto address or the fiat wallet. So make sure to select your fiat wallet, and from there you will be able to directly transfer your crypto amount or the currency into your bank account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.